this video, we are going to talk about the ultimate guide to making money online. So, all of these methods that we're going to be talking about in this video have been proven to work over and over again, and they are still very much relevant as of 2025. And trust me, each and every single one of them can make you a lot of money if done correctly, and it doesn't matter who you are, or where you live, or even what experience you have. So, whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a student, retired, or anything else, any of these methods that we are going to be talking about today will definitely allow you to earn money online. So, if you're ready to get started, you can go ahead and click the like button, because that is really going to help out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And then you want to make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on any future videos that will help you out on your online journey. And then finally, you want to make sure to keep watching because there is a bonus waiting for you at the end of this video. Now, the first method is freelancing. Now, this is a great way to make some easy money online because all you have to do is simply sell your services. And you can do this on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru. There are many other similar websites where you can actually go ahead and sign up and create an account. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and list your services. Now, some examples of things that you can do on these types of websites include writing, graphic design, web design, social media management, virtual assistants, and the list goes on and on. You can literally put almost any service on these types of websites and charge people for it. Now, if you are good at something, you have some sort of skill that you can teach people, or some sort of problem that you can solve, you can pretty much make money with this method. Now, this is a very broad method, but it works, and it is something that has been done over and over again. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is another great way to make money online because you don't actually have to create any products yourself. All you have to do is promote other people's products and services, and you will receive a commission for doing so. So, you can do this by creating content like blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts. You can join an affiliate program and then paste affiliate links into your content. Now, when people click on those links and make a purchase, you will receive a commission. And there are many different networks that you can join. One of my favorites is ClickBank because it is very beginner friendly and you can literally get started for free. And then once you have joined the program, you can start promoting offers and earn commissions on every sale. Number 3 is starting a blog. This is another great way to make money online because you can literally make money from anywhere in the world, and it's very flexible. But basically, how this works is you create content on your website or your blog, and then you monetize that content with things such as Google AdSense. So, with Google AdSense, whenever people read your content and click on the ads that you have placed on your website, you will receive a commission. Now, in order to make money with your blog, it's important to choose a niche that you're interested in, and then write high-quality content that people are actually looking for. And as your website starts to grow and get more traffic, you will start to see more and more money coming in. Number 4 is online surveys. Now, this is a great way to make some easy money online because all you have to do is share your opinions and get paid for it. So there are many different websites out there that you can join and start taking surveys and making money. Some of these websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. And what you can do is answer questions and complete tasks, and then you can redeem that for cash or gift cards. It doesn't really add up to a ton of money, but it is a good way to make some extra cash on the side. Number 5 is YouTube. Now, this is one of the best ways to make money online because it's very passive income and it's very scalable. So all you have to do is create content on YouTube and then monetize that content with things such as ads. So when people watch your content and click on the ads that you have placed on your videos, you will receive a commission. Now, in order to make money with YouTube, it's important to choose a niche that you're interested in and then create high-quality content that people are actually looking for. And as your channel starts to grow and get more subscribers and more views, you will start to see more and more money coming in. Now, number 6 is email marketing. And this is another great way to make money online because you can literally build an email list and then promote products and services to that list and make commissions. So, you can use an email marketing service to create email campaigns and then send those emails to your subscribers, and then you can get paid for every sale that you make. In order to make money with email marketing, it's important to build a large email list and then promote products and services that are relevant to your audience. Number 7 is selling digital products. So, another great way to make money online is by selling digital products like ebooks, courses, and Notion templates. Now, this is a great option if you have some sort of expertise or knowledge in a particular area. All you have to do is package that up and sell it as a digital product, and you can make money from anywhere in the world. You can use platforms like Gumroad and Payhip to get started with selling your digital products. And what makes digital products so great is that once you have created them, you can sell them over and over again without having to create new versions of them. Number 8 is dropshipping. So, this is another popular way to make money online because you don't have to worry about shipping or handling products yourself. Instead, you simply list products for sale on your website or on marketplaces like Etsy and eBay. And when someone makes a purchase, you place an order with a supplier who will ship the product directly to the customer. Now, this allows you to run your business from anywhere in the world. And it's very low risk because you don't have to invest in inventory upfront. Number 9 is print on demand. This is similar to drop shipping because you don't have to worry about shipping or handling products yourself. Instead, you upload your designs to a website like Printful or Redbubble and then list them on a platform like Etsy or a store that you created through Shopify. And when someone makes a purchase, the printing and shipping is handled by the print-on-demand company, and you can literally make money from anywhere in the world. And it's very low risk because you don't have to invest in inventory upfront. And number 10 is social media. Now, this is another great way to make money online because you can literally leverage the attention of people that already know, like, and trust you. All you have to do is create content that is valuable to your audience and then monetize that content with things such as sponsored posts. So, brands will pay you to promote their products and services to your audience, and you can make money from anywhere in the world. And it's also very flexible because you can set your own rates and choose which brands you want to work with. Now, before we get to the bonus, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got some value out of it, please go ahead and smash the like button. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. And now let's get on to the bonus, which is going to be a little bit different than all the other ones that I have talked about. And that is because this one includes buying assets. So you can buy things such as stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. And you can make money from the value of those assets, increasing over time. Now, there are risks involved with investing in any asset class. But if you do your research and invest in a diversified portfolio of assets, you can make a lot of money over time. And this is a great way to grow your wealth and build long-term financial security. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.